Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'll be making y'all some crispy fried honey wings. And they'll also be spicy. And here's the chicken I'll be using. Here's the chicken wings. I washed these chicken wings off, got all the hair off them because I cannot stand to see hair. Most time when you don't see hair is on your wings, so make sure you take all the hair off the wings. And I also will be using some flour, and I'm going to season the flour with some Panko. I'm going to have garlic, onion, I'm going to have chili, paprika, salt, pepper, and a little hot salt and mustard. And as I use them, I have a lot of spices, and I'm going to go back over them. And I'll be glazing it with some butter, honey, and brown sugar. Once I start that, I'll get back with you too. Oh, okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to season my chicken. And I'm cooking my chicken the same way I cook my honey fried ribs, and they were so delicious. I'm going to cook them. I'm seasoning. I'm going to put some mustard on them on both sides. I don't have butter. Make sure I'm going to do both sides the same. I'm going to rub this in, this mustard. Okay, I got some more of it. I'm going to do both sides the same way. I'm going to rub this in good. Okay. And my ribs were so good. Y'all check them out with the honey. I cooked them the same way. I might have eliminated not so many because they were ribs. I might have put a little less season on them, some of the spices, but almost the same way. I know I'll be glazing the same way. Get this. I'm going to do both sides the same, like I said, same way. Then I'm going to let them set. When I'm cooking my wings, I like them. They look more better when they're open up to me. So I'm going to put a little hot. You can use hot sauce or you can use red pepper flakes. That's up to you. So I'm going to put a little hot sauce on them. Because these going to be spicy and a little sweetened too with the brown sugar and the honey and butter. I hope y'all been sharing my video with your friends and family. I've been putting out I put a video out every Thursday. I put one out. I'm going to let these sit up for a while till they come room temperature because this chicken was in the refrigerator. And sometimes it's best to let your chicken get a little warm before you fry it or before you cook any meat. You should let it get room temperature. Okay, I'm trying to mash this in good. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just start with my salt. This is paprika. Put a little paprika on it. Like I said, I'm going to do both sides the same way. Okay, and then I'm also going to put some of this dry this flour over here. Only the dry, not the wet. This is a dusting. I'll be using that so I won't forget. I want to use the same season. And also, I might just put a little, these red pepper flakes. You don't have to, because I want mine spicy. But I'm just putting a little in here. And I got, this is chili, some chili powder. We're using a little chili powder on here. If you never ate chicken like this, try it. It's a good way. It's good seasoning, really good. And I'll put some pepper, black pepper. And I'm going to rub all this in, and I'm going to turn it over and do the other side the same way. A little garlic powder. As long as you don't put a lot of salt, like I tell you, don't over salt your food because that's the only way you can mess it up. Some onion powder. This is going to be some good chicken, y'all. Try it. And I'm going to put just a little salt on here, just a little salt. Just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to rub this in. Rub it in and turn it over and do the other side the same way. Okay, I'm going to get back with you once I do the other side. Trying to reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers, and I need you all to help me achieve that goal. Okay, my chicken has set up and marinated for about 30 minutes, and now I'm getting ready. I already had put a little chili powder in here, so I won't be putting none of that. I'll be putting the same thing I put on these wings, other than the wet. I won't put no hot sauce in here. And this is some garlic powder. Put a little garlic powder in it, because I like for my dusting powder, some onion powder. Putting the same thing I put on, I put on that the chicken wings when I marinate them. And I put on a little, what is this right here? Paprika. And I'm not gonna put as much with pepper flakes, just a little bit of them in here. So I want this seasoned good. And I'll put a little salt in here. And the reason I'm not putting too much seasoning here, because I'm gonna have those breadcrumbs. They're seasoned too. Okay, like I said, my oil is getting hot over here. I'm gonna put these breadcrumbs in here. And mix the seasoning. That's just some Panko seasoned breadcrumbs. That's how I cook my ribs, and my rib was really good. Because I glazed them also. And y'all glad y'all grandkids, I don't have any kids in school, but I know most people are glad. And this recipe right here is for, some of the young people, because I cook a lot of boiling food. I boil a lot of food, cook a lot of vegetables and stuff. But this right here probably is a dish that a young person, you can have this at a party, or anything, a Super Bowl party, a birthday party, any kind of party. Stir this up good. I'm gonna touch my grease. I'm just gonna start dropping in the oven. It's not ready. I'm gonna get back with you when it get ready. Okay, I put some of my chicken wings in the, while my oil was heating up. I use just plain, you can use any kind of oil. I just used some Crisco. This time I had Crisco oil, and I used some, it don't matter, that's vegetable oil. So I'm dusting them good, and I'm gonna shake it off. I'm gonna put one in the tester. Take all the flour, and these gonna be deep fried. Right. Okay, that's not hot enough. I'm gonna let them get a little warmer. Just getting there, and one thing about an oven pot, it's the heat stays in there. Once you get it hot, the heat stays there. You don't have to keep adjusting the eye. I'm gonna let these, I'm gonna deep fat fry them. Let that grease get a little hotter. Make sure you shake all of it up. And we're gonna top this off when I glaze them and put them in the oven. Put this one in there. Okay, it's hot now, it's getting hot. I never cooked in here, but I'm trying to see how this is gonna look. But I was thinking, when you're cooking wings, it's kind of hard to cook the wings when you're cooking them opener. So it's best to have the grease kind of higher than the meat. Make sure the grease kind of cover the meat, the chicken wings. Okay, it's beginning to fry like I want it. Once these brown, I'll be almost through. This is a quick video. It's just season it up and then, the season set on it. Yeah. Okay, once they start frying, like I said, you can cook them in a shallow pan if you want to. You can deep fry. Wings, to me, it's best to have the grease covering the whole wing so you get the best results. Okay, I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, my chicken is frying. I'm getting ready to take some of it out the grease, and once I get all of it out, I'm gonna show you how I glaze and put it in the oven. I'll be finished with this. I don't know whether I would ever fry chicken in a Dutch oven pot again, because it seems like it don't get as crispy, but it's gonna be done and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get back with you. Okay, here's my crispy fried wings, and check out the instruction. In a description bar and find out what I put on them. They look so good and they're gonna taste good. What I'm getting ready now, I'm gonna glaze them. What I use is some butter, real butter. I melt it in the microwave or anywhere. And I'm gonna put some honey in here, some honey in here, because they're gonna be sweet, spicy, and glazed. Got a little brown sugar in here. I put these on my ribs and it was so good. And I'm gonna put a little red pepper flakes. And these are the only thing I'm gonna put in here. And I'm gonna glaze them on these ribs. On these wings. Be ready to eat. I'm gonna serve mine with some potato salad. Okay, stir this up good. Spread them on these wings. Put them in on broil so they can make sure you put a lot of glaze on them. And soak them up good. Turn them over. They're gonna be so good, y'all. You don't let them stay in the oven too long. You don't let them stay there. I'm gonna do both sides. Make sure I soak all this sauce I made up on both sides. And you can put it on broiler in your oven. They even look good to me. I'm gonna eat mine with potato salad. You can have rice or anything you want to. Just eat them like a hors d'oeuvre. Just eat just the wings. That's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna turn these over and do the other side and put them in the oven. I got my oven on broiler because you don't want to stay. They're already done. You don't want to stay in there too long. Okay, once I do the other side, I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm gonna get back with you. Thank you all for tuning in to my presentation of my honey fried wings and glazed with honey, brown sugar and butter. Share this video with friends and family. Once again, thank you for tuning to Mattie's Kitchen, and stay tuned for the next video I put out, and have a wonderful day.